The sure path to good governance and drastically reducing corruption in the bureaucracy is an ironclad political will to hold government agencies into account and transparency with the help of digital tools and AI technology. And the launching of a transparency portal in all government agencies is imperative, as we hear more from our Harley Valbuena.
Transparency and a stronger fight against corruption through digital governance. This is the primary aim of the Marcos administration in the planned launching of Transparency Portal in all government agencies and offices. Philippine Health Insurance Corporation or PhilHealth, Social Security System or SSS, and the Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH were the first to have transparency portals. According to the Department of Information and Communications Technology, a transparency portal is a website powered by artificial intelligence or AI. It features a virtual dashboard where the public can see the funds of particular respective agency at how it is used.
Para sa mamamayan, malalaman kung saan napupunta ang buwis nila. Madaling gamitin kahit hindi high-tech or savvy, accessible kahit sa smartphone at sa lahat ng probinsya or baryo.
Through DICT, through technology, we are able to communicate better ang performance and datos ng SSS. Mula sa kung saan ho ginagamit, saan ho ini-invest ang pondo ng SSS, kung nasan ho ang mga miyembro ng SSS, at kung paano ho in the future mag-avail ng different services ho ng aming ahensya.
It also has an AI chatbot which can receive queries and it can understand English, Tagalog, or even informal languages such as Taglish and regional dialects.
Halimbawa, magkano ang budget ng PhilHealth ngayong taon? Sasagot agad ng AI kasama ang breakdown at context. Hindi kailangan maging expert o marunong sa technical jargon. Hindi nyo na po kailangan maging accountant. Yung AI po tutulong sa atin para ma-figure out kung paano nagagastos ang isang bagay at ano yung impormasyon na kayang maintindihan natin pong lahat.
The Transparency Portal is also accessible in basic smartphones. DICT also assures the portal will be free from fake news. The DICT said transparency portals are initially aimed to be launched in all government-owned or controlled corporations or GOCCs by year-end. Through this, all Filipinos will be enabled to be a watchdog of public funds.
Para naman po sa gobyerno, para po sa amin, nagpapalakas ng tiwala ng publiko. Mas mahirap maitago ang irregularities. Mas mabilis at standardized ang reporting sa bawat ahensya. At ito po'y panglaban po natin sa korupsyon. Sa simpleng logic, mas maraming mata sa datos, mas mahirap magtago ng anomalya.
Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.